Let's see how to create coupons in Magento 2. Go to Marketing and click on Cart Price Rules. Click Add New Rule. Enter the rule name and description. Set the rule to active. Select the appropriate website. Choose the customer groups that the rule should apply to. Hold Ctrl and select the customer groups to choose all necessary groups. Hold Command and select on Mac. In the Coupon section, select Specific Coupon. Enter the coupon code. You will also find an option called Use Auto Generation. If you enable this option and save the rule, Magento will automatically generate multiple coupon codes for you. We will discuss this in a separate video. Type Uses per coupon to set how many times the coupon code can be used in total. Type Uses per customer to set how many times each customer can use the coupon code. The usage limit enforced to the logged-in customers only. Select the from and to dates to define the period during which the coupon code will be active on the website. In the Conditions section, you can set specific conditions to apply the rule only when those conditions are met. Leave this section blank to apply the rule to all products. We will discuss this in a separate video. In the Apply section on Actions, you can set the specific action that should be performed when the coupon code is applied. Here we are selecting % of product price discount. Enter the discount amount. Enter any additional details if necessary. You can also apply the rule only to cart items that meet specific conditions if needed. Leave it blank to apply the rule to all items. The Manage Coupon Codes section will be enabled only when the Use Auto Generation option is selected. Click Save. When we come back to Cart Price Rules, you can find the newly saved coupon code. Now let us check if it's working. For that, I'm copying the coupon code. I'll open the Ecommerce site, select a random product, and add it to the cart. To apply the coupon, let's go to the cart and click Proceed to Checkout. Look at the price of the item without applying the coupon. Now, let us apply the Save 10% coupon code. To do that, click Apply Discount Code at the bottom, paste the coupon code, and click Apply. Here, you can see that the 10% discount has been successfully applied. In the next video, we will look into the Auto Coupon Generation option. Thanks for watching. Follow for more. Ceymox Intelligence, Integrated, E-Commerce.